Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix images is not previewing in Google Chrome. So guys, if you ever have this problem, it is a very simple fix. So to do this, just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your Chrome. Now, here on your Chrome, guys, you just simply go for the privacy and security tab. Now, over here on the privacy and security, you just simply go for the site settings at the bottom of the options. Now, here, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here images. So from here, click on this. And now, sometimes as you can see, if you select don't allow sites to show images, of course, it will not work. Just simply make sure to select sites can show images. And if you have a customized behavior over here where you are not allowed to show images, you just simply select add over here and provide a website that you want not to show images. And you could also do this on the show images on a specific website over here. So now, another option that you could try is just simply use the search bar over here and search for accelerate. So guys, if you have the accelerate on the Chrome, sometimes this cause issues. So when this is turned on, make sure to turn it off. And after that, just simply select the relaunch icon and it will apply the changes that we did. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.